Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on using Waypoint in discussion boards. You will now notice under Meet Your Instructor a new link called Waypoint. This link will take you to the Waypoint grading tool for all the assignments in the class, including discussion boards. So you can see now that discussion boards are embedded in the Waypoint, and one of the important things that you need to make sure of before you start grading discussion boards is that this little sync button is completely synced. Let's take a look at an example of what we mean by synced. Here's an example of a discussion board syncing. You can see the spinning wheel, and the sync button has not yet lit up. You can see it's occurring with two different discussion boards. They're both syncing. You have to wait until they're finished syncing before you begin grading, because it needs to capture all the material on the discussion board and parse it out among each of the students in your class. So once it's completely synced, you can begin grading. And you do this by clicking the Begin Grading button, and it takes you to your first student. Now in this demo, the feedback has already been provided. And you have some really great data points here. Notice that it shows you the number of student posts. It shows you that there's 1 original and 3 replies. It also gives you the prompt, so you can click on this and look at the prompt. And then it shows you, it brings you to the student's information. This is her original prompt, and notice that it's in a shaded color, kind of a beige color. This is her original post. And what's really great about it is it shows you the threads of the responses and replies. It shows you the entire thread of that conversation, which is fantastic. So in this situation, it shows her original posting, goes down and shows a response, and then her response to that person's response. Notice that if I want to read more in the interaction, I can just click Read More. But it does show the entire student's posting. So the responses to that student are minimized, but the student's entire posting is showing up. Now once you're ready to grade, you can go over here to the evaluation criteria and provide feedback in each of the areas, as well as a comment. Once you've completed the grading process, you can go ahead and close that up and finalize the grade. We think you'll find the new discussion board grading process in Waypoint to be helpful in viewing the students' postings comprehensively and in context of the discussion thread. This will support you in providing richer and more relevant feedback. So that concludes our brief tutorial, and if you have questions, feel free to reach out to your faculty, support, and development associate. Thank you.